Hi everyone, Jeffrey at McSherry's Nursery, asking you, what is bugging you? We have lots of caterpillars that feed off of our plants and other bugs as well, but today I'm going to discuss one specific type of our caterpillar. It's this little guy right here. It's this little nest. This is called the eastern tent caterpillar. This will get on cherries, birches, and sometimes maples every spring, and it starts actually by hatching out of this little egg mass. This is actually laid in the fall by the female, and this looks like a kind of a solid mass of dried molasses all went along on that stem. If you find it, simply peel it off and throw that on the ground, and you've eliminated the next spring's nest of this. That's the best way to care for this thing. Now, as these caterpillars eat, they'll get bigger. When they get bigger, the nest gets bigger. There's a couple of things to understand about this. First of all, when they're inside that nest, it's very difficult to spray to control them. The spray stays on the outside, they stay on the inside. You can't touch them. And then as they make more of a nest on the outside, they're now even nowhere near the spray. So spraying really doesn't make a lot of sense. Basically, the best thing to do as far as I'm concerned, and you may want to put on surgical gloves for this or not, I am not. Simply peel that out of there. Insects and all, throw it on the ground and stomp on it. I've now taken care of the problem. The nest is gone. However, as you can see on this stem right here, there's a couple of them still walking on here. Keep this in mind with this nest. Eastern tent caterpillars feed during the day. They go back in the nest at night. So the time to pull this off is actually in the evening, right at dark, or in the morning as the sun is coming up before they come out of it to feed. During the day, they're out here. So they're not gonna, you can take that nest out, the next day there'll be another nest there because they'll just simply move back and make it again. So if you can, take the ones you can see that are on the outside of that, get rid of them, and I've eliminated the problem. So thanks for watching. That's it for eastern tent caterpillar. Now, it's not the only caterpillars that bother us. We do have gypsy moth, which is now called spongy moth. You may end up finding brown-tail moth around. It's coming closer all the time. If you have any other questions, give us an email, give us a call. We're happy to help.